something here just ain't right. You're not acting quite like you used to, and if you don't know what's wrong, well, I might. You've got all the classic symptoms. I've been down that road for sure. Partner, you got to believe me, there really only is one cure. When you gonna call that girl? When you gonna call that girl? The wheel of fortune comes around for those who make a play. Grab a hold and give it a whirl, and she shines like diamonds and pearls, an angel face and golden curls. I'm tired of watching you walk around in your mopey-dopey days. Get up and call that girl. Coffee on your cornflakes, and I know you're not the absent-minded kind. 'Cause you locked your keys in your truck a lot lately. I can see you've got something on your mind. Now you ain't the first one with this problem, and you sure never want me the last. But you just might be the first one to break his own heart if you don't do something first. So when you gonna call that girl? When you gonna call